Greetings everyone. I assume many of you have landed on this video through my LinkedIn post about learning GitHub and submitting your first pull request. Once you click the GitHub repository link on the post, you will be redirected to this page. You should be in your GitHub account. This is the account Vijay Kumar VRSI, which I am using for demonstration purpose. You should be observing that here we have another account VJKR. This is the original repository. So first logical step in starting our pull request is we have to fork this. Forking is the process of copying from VJKR repository to your repository. Here Vijay Kumar VLSI. Click on fork. These three files will be copied from original VJKR account to Vijay Kumar VLSI account. Or in your case, the account name with your username. Let's wait for the forking. We work on a single branch, which is not a recommended procedure, but no harm. So we are trying to fork OpenALU 32-bit repository from VJKR username account. Let me connect to my another network hotspot. Request the page. It will ask whether you want to keep the same repository name. Don't make any changes. Just click on create fork. So we are getting all the three files copied from VJKR. Here on the left top corner, you should now observe that we are having our own copy of OpenALU 32-bit in our account. Okay. So we have three files here: license file, Python notebook, README file. Python notebook is our important code here, which will run in Colab, Google Colab. Click on IPYNB file. Remember that this is the demo account what I am using for working. Then we'll create a pull request to the original account. So we have completed the first step, forking from VJKR account to the demo account, Vijay Kumar VLSI. We'll create a file for running this adder function. Okay. I have pasted the file contents also here. You can copy. I will copy it for saving time. You can type also. Just copy this. Once we put this in a pyadder.py file, .py is Python extension file. This code will be ready to run. We'll be demoing this one. Next step will be you can work on PySub. Same thing again, PySub.py file, e-b, done. Okay. To do this, we'll start with creating a new file. Return to the code, left top corner, click on code, add file, create new file. So what should be our file name? Pyadder.py. And paste the contents here. Let's remove comment, comments. Proper indentation is important. Okay. So what this does, we'll have a PyAdder module. It's like a library which contains adder definition named as adder def. It will print my name, then prints a plus b equals, then we'll have a result. For demarcation, we'll add on line, say print something like dashes, so that next time if anyone copies this, there will be a dash line, demarcation line. Okay. So done. Save. Save in GitHub is called as commit. We are committing to changes. Don't make any changes. Just commit the changes. Commit is a fancy word for saying save. Yeah. As we can see, PyAdder is added here along with our Python notebook. Next time when you will be trying to commit some file, use PySubtractor, PyDivide, or PyMultiply as mentioned in the Python notebook. We can directly create a pull request, but instead of that, we'll try to run this code. How to run? Go back to our Python notebook file. We'll have a link to Colab. Click on Open in Colab. If you have a Gmail account, Colab will be automatically open without requesting for sign in. Okay. Mine is signed in on the right top corner. You can see the photograph. It is connecting. Before running this code, one minor change what we have to do is here on this line, cloning. Cloning is like downloading the code from GitHub repository to this Google Colab. We'll replace this by Vijay Kumar VLSI. Why? Because our Python pyadder.py file is in this account. Okay. So it is connected. Let's run this. Authorize Google to access the GitHub repository. Cloning is we are trying to download from this repository the files from OpenALU 32. Let's see whether the files are available. A PyAdder has not been brought here. We'll delete the runtime once and restart. Maybe it is saving information from my previous work. You need not have to do this part. Once this is open, click on connect. Change this repository name, put your name. You can see that I have deleted the earlier environment on the left side. Run this. Now cloning is done. Refresh. We'll see PyAdder file. Okay, done. Very nice. So once we have this, just for confirmation sake, if we run this, it will tell what are the addresses where we are running, what files have been imported. So this is the important file here, pyadder.py. So if we run this, it should print our result. There's some minor mistake in the code, typo. I import, run one more time. If everything goes well, you should get a result, say 23 plus 45. Yes. So we accessed our PyAdder file. From PyAdder file, it is typing by Vijay Kumar Sajjana, a plus b equals 68, 23 plus 45. We are returning no value. It is saying none. That also you can avoid by just commenting out this file. But try not to do any changes. You can keep adding Python files. I'll take care of this part. Okay. Comment it out. If we run now, we'll observe that we have a result for addition with not saying none value. Done. A plus b equals 57. So our code is running properly. We can go back to our GitHub account. We will not change or save anything here. We'll leave the site, go back to our GitHub account. Now that we have confirmed our code is working, we'll come back to our account. Vijay Kumar VLSI, go to pull request, new pull request. So it will check, is it able to put Vijay Kumar VLSI changes into VJKR, which is our main repository. So it says yes, it's able to merge. What changes will be done? Adder file will be added with these lines. This is good enough for us. So create pull request, done. So this will send me a message saying that someone has worked on PyAdder. A file has been submitted. Check whether if it is proper and save it. I will show the part on my side. This step completes the procedure on your side. What I will do is I will go to my another GitHub account, the main account on which we are running. I will sign out from this. Okay. I will sign in from my original account. Here I will see the pull request. Once I go to my repository, here on the top I have a pull request showing there is one pull request. I'll see this. Once I know that it's going to run, I will check the PyAdder file, which we know that it's going to work. Not to make any changes, I will say merge. Once it is successfully merged, it will give a message to your account also. Confirm. Yes, done. Merge. If we come and reload here, say to your account, it has logged into this account, but you will receive a mail and you can observe in your account, which is Vijay Kumar VLSI demo account, the pull request will be completed. Okay, I'll be waiting for your pull request. If any doubts are there, you can mail me or put a comment on the LinkedIn post. Thank you. All the very best.